Hey, what is going on guys? Cholo here and welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about something a little bit closer to home for me. That's because it has something to do with music. And if you haven't guessed it already or haven't seen the description below, we are going to be talking about the Realme Buds Q. Designed by Jose Levy, who has made works for the likes of Hermes and is the art director of Realme Design Studio, the Buds Q aim for a fashionable approach while sporting a number of compelling features, all at a budget-friendly price. Now for the pros, you get a great stylish design. You have programmable touch controls. They are also very comfortable to wear. Now for the cons, you got the touch controls, which can be a little bit inconsistent at times. And it can be a bit too much on the bassy side in terms of sound. Having a prolific designer do a pair of TWS earbuds has its perks, and the Buds Q is a good example of it. Levy took inspiration from cobblestones, hence the small pebblestone-like design that is very ergonomic to the hand compared to others. Its quite black color has a matte finish that does a good job in resisting smudges. It also has the Realme branding done in shiny black to keep its monochromatic look. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this design because, I'll be honest, it kind of reminds me of one of those rock crabs from Pirates of the Caribbean, and I've always really wanted one of those. You get a single LED light in front and a micro USB port in the back for charging. So you don't get any fancy fast charging for this one, but with the micro USB you can actually charge it to full in about an hour, which is not bad. Opening the case reveals the buds themselves, which also have the same cobblestone-like shape. The exterior of the buds has a matte finish similar to the case, while the Realme logo, which is also the area for the touch controls, sports a glossy finish. Now these are gonna attract some prints, which is kind of ironic because it's actually where your finger is supposed to go. The buds themselves are light, weighing in at around 3.6 grams per bud. Despite being that light, you get the respectable 40 mAh battery and 10mm drivers. Aside from pairing them via Bluetooth, the Buds Q can be customized further with the Realme Link App. Right now, this isn't available for iOS, so you can only check it out with Android. Through the app, you can customize the touch controls and toggle game mode. The latter improves connectivity by lowering the latency to 119 milliseconds. This is very important, especially when you are playing games where in-game sound effects can affect your chances of winning. Now, it's really cool of them to add this because, let's face it, everyone's playing on their mobile phones right now, and well, it's just another plus. Taking on an ergonomic bean-shaped design like the Galaxy Buds, the Buds Q have a more compact body compared to the competition. They fit quite well on my ears and are very low profile thanks to the smaller than usual design. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these are more on the comfortable side and not bad at all because I could wear these things for hours and not feel any discomfort at all. Now, one of the issues that I have encountered is the inconsistent responses from the touch controls. Despite setting them up properly through the Realme Link App, there were times that the buds did not recognize the taps I made to the touch panels. Sometimes it takes several taps before they would recognize them, and it gets annoying to the point that I just grab my phone and manage my music there instead. I think this problem might be more of a software glitch, and I hope Realme addresses this in the next update of the Realme Link. Realme equipped the Buds Q's 10mm drivers with dynamic bass boost, which is very evident with how deep the lows are. Despite being a pair of budget TWS earbuds, the Buds Q come with an AAC audio codec, so you are assured of getting high-fidelity audio quality. The Buds Q's soundstage leans more on the bass side, which can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on the music genre you are listening to. I listen to a broad variety of music on a daily basis, and I find the bass can be a little bit too much sometimes. Okay, so they tend to compromise on the mids and the highs. So if you're a die-hard audiophile, maybe they're not the ones for you. Since you have the Realme Link app to make adjustments to the touch controls, it would be great if Realme updates the app or the Buds firmware to include equalizer controls. Battery life is what you would expect with most TWS earbuds. Using them as my daily driver, they lasted me for about 4 hours before I had to put them back in the case. Now for reference, that's about, I think, maybe 3 full K-drama episodes that you can watch before you gotta charge them again. Now, if you have the charging case with you, that extends the usage to about 20 more hours of use. If you're strapped on cash and want a pair of TWS buds that will look great with your outfits, the Jose Levy designed Realme Buds Q is something you should consider. Aside from its stylish, cobblestone-inspired design, the Buds Q take it up a notch by letting you customize the touch controls through the Realme Link App. In addition, the Buds Q do a great job at maintaining audio fidelity even when you are at max volume. Being a budget pair of TWS earbuds, Realme had to make a few compromises like settling for a micro USB port. The touch controls can be unresponsive at times, and the soundstage may emphasize too much on the lows, but both issues can be addressed if the Realme Link app gets updated with equalizer controls and stability fixes for the Buds Q. You can get the Buds Q for just 1,490 pesos. Once again, please don't forget to check out our full review on unbox.ph. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. And if you want to get them updates when we drop them videos, hit the notification icon. Once again, I am Cholo and I will see you guys in the next one.